So ilan po lahat ang nasarado?
2,000 po sa
2,000. Ano pong binigay na reason bakit po sinara po yung 2,000 na Lotto outlets?
Wala pong machine daw.
Wala nang machine. Yun ang pong binigay na reason. Pero were you consulted? Na-informahan po kayo na magkakaroon kami ng e-Lotto
Hindi po.
na posible maapektuhan ang ilan sa inyo o marami sa inyo?
To my understanding, Chair, with the previous administration, they had plans of having that. Parang pag-aaralan pa po. We were just surprised na ang bilis-bilis lang po siyang na.
So yung previous administration, before Mr. Robles became the general manager, so meron na kayong narinig na plano.
May plano po.
But you,
Na-
pero nakonsulta kayo.
Opo, alam po namin.
Alam nyo. Ang kinagulat nyo na lang, all of a sudden, boom, natuloy na.
Opo.
Okay. Mr. Robles, you might want to answer.
Thank you very much na in-acknowledge you na it's not under my time. Kung nga po ang tatanungin niyo po, it should be 11,000 outlets. Had it been under my watch, Mr. Chairman, hindi ako papayag sa 6,500. No? That is a fact. Hindi po under my watch to, and I even asked my managers, why did you allow? And sila po ay kausap ng GM. I'm surprised why they did not raise that up. They're very close po with the past administration. So, well, they have their reasons for not saying it. Tama po sila. Hindi po dapat. But ang trust naman of that administration is to modernize the 25-year-old system. Now, dalawa pa nga na laging nagbe-breakdown. So, tama po kayo. Hindi ho dapat pinasarayan at marami pong nawalan. At even po kami sana, we could be getting more income had the previous administrator not implemented that. When I came, awarded na po yan. May timetable na po ang implementation.
Ms. Javier?
To my understanding, kasi I was there during the opening, the PCSO then said that they're going to initially order 6,500 because katatapos lang po ng pandemic, hindi po yata kakayanin na ganun kadami yung order nila na machine. So we were just wondering, I mean, with due respect po, no, GM, nung time po na nag-order po ng machine na 6,500, kayo na po yung nakaupo.
Your Honor, that is a big lie. That is a big lie. Our records will bear us out. I will have to correct this because this is a very, very big lie. And if she's under oath, Your Honor, she will be in trouble.
To my understanding po, I mean, okay, granting po na na sila yung nag-order niyan. Pero during your time, alam niyo po na maaapektuhan yung 2,000 na agent. Sana po, gumawa na lang din po kayo ng paraan na tulungan po kami na wag pong masarado yung 2,000 na yan. Kaya po, masama po yung loob ng mga Lotto agents kasi parang dahil po dyan sa e-Lotto, parang hindi yun na po tinulungan yung mga iba na makapagbukas po sila. Kasi dati ho pre-termination lang, sumulat kayo, tapos ginawang termination, tapos nag-stoppage. From the stoppage itself po, dapat hindi na po kayo nag-issue mismo ng termination na kayo po yung nakapirma. Doon ho yung talagang alam na nila na talagang wala na pong aasahan. Kung stoppage po yan, kung mag-aantay po ng machine, sana hindi na lang po sila terminate.
So ano nangyari po doon na Ms. Javier, doon sa 2,000 na
Sarado na
napasara?
po sila lahat. Sarado na po lahat yung Yun nga po yung humihingi sila ng tulong sa akin na kung maaari po na mabigyan sila ng chance na makapagbukas ulit. Ang problema po, wala po talagang available na machine. Pero open naman po nang mag-apply ulit. Pero ang problema po, mag-aantay nga po sila kung kung kailan po magmamachine. Pero to my understanding, hindi pa po yata nag-uumpisa yung procurement or sinasabi po ng mga branch managers na magkakaroon po. Saka before po, umasa po yung mga ibang mga agents po na hanggat wala pa pong machine, yung po ng mga lumang machine namin na ginamit dito sa Luzon, ang ipapagamit. Ang alam ko po, parang dati pumayag nga po na yun ang gamitin. Hindi po namin alam kung anong nangyari, kung bakit. Kasi kung I already approached also po, no, the OGCC, no, that's why I was late last time in coming here. Nakiusap po ako doon kay Attorney Quevedo na kung pwede pong i-extend po yung ELA para po hindi na muna po sila magsarado at pagbibigyan sila hanggat 4 months. Ang pakiusap lang niya po sa akin na i-inform ko daw po si GM na mag-apela lang para magkaroon po ng time na wag sila munang masarado kasi naaawa.
So you're not
sila.
granted your request for an appeal?
Kasi po, ang hinihingi lang po ni Attorney Quevedo that time is kung pwede daw pong sumulat sa kanila ng letter po si GM or si Chairman Kuwa na humihingi po sila ng extension para magkaroon po ng time kung merong o-orderin na machine or something. Pero sinabi ko po yun kay AGM Arnel Casas na yun po yung request ni Attorney Quevedo na kung pwede gumawa po sila ng sulat na nire-request po nila na ma-extend po yung yung ELA para patuloy pa po sila na makapatuloy po na makapagpatay at hindi masarado yung 2,000. Kasi naaawa rin po siya dun sa mga agents na yun. At that particular time, parang nag-follow up ako, parang sabi po, hindi naman po talaga nangyari na nakagawa po ng apela.
Kasi Mr. Robles, 2,000 na mga lotto agents, sinibak nyo, tinanggalan nyo sila ng hanap buhay, pinatay nyo in short. Pero yung kita sana napupunta sa kanila, napunta ngayon sa Pacific Online Systems Corporation. Meron kayong pinatay na pagkarami-rami, libo ang pinatay ninyo. At isa lang ang inyong binuhay kapalit ng 2,000. Ito na nga yung online.
Mr. Chair, that is baseless, I would tell you. I'm sorry, but I think the figures will show that...
Who are you to say it's baseless?
Mr. Chairman...
Wait a minute. 2,000 na talagang given na yung numbers na sinasabi niya, exact numbers yan, 2,000 ang natanggalan ng hanap buhay. Am I right, Ms. Javier?
Yes, Chair, you're correct.
So meron kayong 2,000 na pinatay nyo.
It is not,
Let's
Mr.
wait a minute.
Chairman,
Pinatay nyo negosyo.
if I may,
Wait a
Mr.
minute.
Chairman.
Let me finish and then let you talk. 2,000 ang tinanggalan nyo ng hanap buhay, pinatay nyo negosyo, and then kapalit ng 2,000, isang kumpanya lang ang inyong binuhay. Go ahead, Mr. Robles.
Hindi po ako may gawa niyan, Mr. Chairman. Dumating po ako awarded,
under your watch.
Mr. Chairman, if I may, Mr. Chairman, it is not under my watch that the PLS was awarded. 5.8 billion po yan. It is a modernization of the lottery system, Mr. Chairman. it was already on the
But you were
implementation
the one
stage,
who
Mr.
asked for an
Chairman.
opinion from OGCC, and OGCC gave you an opinion na saying na hindi.
Where are we, Mr. Chairman? Are we on the Pulai?
Yes, later na yung pula. Mr. Robles, dalawa ditong issue eh. Una, nung nagkaroon itong Pacific Online Systems Corporation, pinatay ang 2,000 mga lotto agents. Pangalawa, nung humingi kayo ng opinion sa OGCC at sinabihan kayo ng OGCC ng opinion na kailangan humingi kayo ng permiso sa Office of the President and yet you did not. Attorney Francis De Valle, kanina pa kayo nagbabasa nung binigyan namin kayo ng kopya. What's your opinion on that letter? That MOA? It's your time to shine. Come on.
Your Honor, the OGCC already issued an opinion that is currently being the subject of this discussion. The opinion speaks for itself, Your Honor. I might be misquoted if I make an interpretation. So,
No, you're an attorney, you're a lawyer, you should know better. Pwede ka magsalita.
Yes,
On
exactly.
behalf of the OGCC and in reference to this letter or opinion issued by the office where you present.
Exactly, Your Honor. With all due respect, my training would tell me that the document speaks for itself.
Okay.
The document
When you say
is
the document
evidence,
speaks
Your
for
Honor.
itself, meaning?
The opinion, Your Honor, that was issued by the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, Your Honor.
So that means yung sinasabi rito na sana humingi ng opinion sa Office of the President, cover dito itong online gaming system ng Pacific Online Systems Corporation. Tama? No,
Your Honor,
don't look at him.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. Basically, the...
No, yes or no lamang, attorney. So, sabi mo, it is what it is. Parang ganon, di ba? Now, yung nakasulat dito na opinion ng OGCC, does this cover the online lotto o e-lotto? Yes or no lang? Huwag na tayo pasikot-sikot dito, sir. Nabasa mo naman na. At tinawagan mo na, I would assume you would have called people na who could give you enlightenment on this issue. Yun ang gusto kong tanongin. Kasi sinasabi ni Mr. Robles, magkaibang laro. At itong dokumento kasi ito, galing sa OGCC. So kaya binigyan kita ng kopya para basahin mo at pagkatapos, come up with your own opinion, being the lawyer of OGCC, and at the same time, make some phone calls.